Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start the build of the TAMIYA Bradley infantry fighting vehicle. This is a 135 scale. This is an older kit. I got this kit at a secondhand store, and you may remember it from my other video, my bargain purchase video that I did a while back. And we're now ready to get started on it. As you can see, this is a pretty old kit. I'm not sure when it was released. I'm actually looking for a date on 1995. Oh, excuse me, 1985. So yeah, this is a pretty old kit. The kit is complete. Everything is in here. The decals are actually, I mean, they're a little yellowed, but they're not too horribly bad. So I haven't really done a tank kit I mean, I may have done one when I was a kid, but it's been a long time. So this actually, there's a lot of parts in this kit, but it probably will go pretty quickly. I have to say, even though it's an older kit, the quality of the molds is, pretty impressive. I haven't done a lot of TAMIYA kits. In fact, I can't honestly remember the last time I did a TAMIYA kit. It's been so long. But this should be a fun build. I'm primarily, I don't know if I'm going to do, this has a full interior. I don't know if I'm going to do the full interior or not. I'm not going to display it open, most likely. So I don't know if I'll want to spend a whole lot of time on the interior of it. Mainly it looks like it'll be a fun kit, and I really want to just get some more experience on this type of kit. So I'm gonna get started with this kit, and we'll be back. Okay, quick update on, I've got the hull pretty much put together, the bottom of the hull, I guess. I've got all of the wheels assembled and separated in here, and all of the smaller, I guess they're trailing wheels or suspension wheels. I'm not sure what those are called. I don't know what all the technical names are, but those are good to go. I'm not going to install them yet because I want to paint them separately. I've got the rear hatch, which is quite a few pieces. I'm leaving this hatch shut. I'll leave this hatch so this hatch will mount back here. So what I can do is I can open this and see the interior, but most of the time it's going to be closed. I mean, that's just how I usually do them. But that's good. Here's the top. It's going to sit on like that. Cool. One thing I did come across, one of my wheels, all of these wheels are two-piece. And remember, this kit was an open box bargain kit. So I did find out that even though the bags were sealed, I'm missing the other side. Whoops, I'm missing the other side of this wheel. So I'm missing this part. So that's a bummer. No big deal though. This one has one of those little rubber bushings you put in here. So I'll put it in, and you won't be able to notice it, but it'll just be missing the inside of one wheel. Everything else will be fine though, and I'm okay with that. Like I said, it was a bargain kit. So all right, so that's the update, and I'm just gonna keep building. Okay, friends, so here we have a quick update on the Bradley M2. Making some progress, coming along. Got some sub-assemblies all ready to go here. I must say, this is my first TAMIYA tank type kit that I've ever built. And I have to say, very well engineered kit. The fit is really good. There's no flash on the parts. The instructions are very clear. The parts that are supposed to move. I did seal this hatch shut, but that's because I wanted it shut. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this kit. I'm going to go ahead and get a lot of these parts ready to prime. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a different prime than I normally do. Normally, I would just prime the whole thing black or gray. Actually, I would probably prime it all gray and then use black to do my accent colors, accent shading, my pre-shading, and then go over it with my top colors and layer it in. But I think I'm going to try something a little bit different. I think I'm actually... The interior I'm going to prime probably black. That way I can use the lighter shades for the interior and still have the shadows. I may do the bottom in black as well because the bottom's going to be pretty dirty and worn, so I want to have all that detail to bring out from the bottom. But I think on the upper surfaces, I think I'm going to prime this in white and then go through with my pre-shading and then go through with my top color. Because what I think I would normally do on this type of a kit is I would prime it gray, pre-shade with black, and then go in with like flat white and do a bulk of the surface areas inside the pre-shading white, and then go over it with the final color. So there's like a distinction of shades in the final top coat. But I think I'm going to save myself a step. Just since I have this white primer, I'm just going to prime it white and then do my pre-shading and then just do my top cover. I want to see how that comes out. So looking forward to that. Again, the kit's going together really nicely, really well engineered. You're not even going to know that I'm missing one of the wheels. One of the inside of the wheels. You won't be able to see it. So yeah, it's going great. So let's get back to work. Okay friends, here's a quick update. The tank is coming together great. Again, I'm really impressed with this kit. It's moving along just great here. Got the interior kind of worked out there. I'm not too worried about the detail on the interior because, like I said, it's mostly going to be closed and on the shelf, so I'm not too worried about that. I've got the turret all together on all the pieces, so the next step will be to get this primed, get this pre-shaded, and then we'll get it painted. And then we'll be able to get some detailing done on that. The upper hull is all primed and pre-shaded and ready to go for the olive drab to go on top of that. So we'll be doing that here soon. And yeah, so I think we're going to end this video here. This is part 1. So stay tuned for part 2. It'll be coming up pretty quick because I'm making good progress on this. Like I said, this tank went together really well. I'm really impressed with it. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun detailing it and weathering it and making it look really cool. So thanks for watching the video. And everyone, just be safe out there and go build something.